Hey, what up? It's Brad with Home Love Construction, and in this video, I'm gonna explain to you how you waterproof a shower. So there's two pieces to a shower. This is four, not two. Two pieces to a shower that you have to be sure you waterproof. There's the floor, there's the walls, the floors, right, on the side. There's the walls, and then there's the floor. And these are waterproofed very differently. So listen closely. We'll start with the floor. In most Florida applications, you're going to do what's called a rubber pan. There's literally a rubber pan that they sell at Home Depot or any plumbing supply store, and that pan actually goes down and gets a little bit of foam under it to slope it, and that waterproofs the floor. It ties into the drain at the middle. It literally gets bolted down to the drain, and then it gets nailed to the walls. Usually goes up 12 to 24 inches depending on your local building code. Ours tend to go to 24 just because we like to do it overkill. So if you were to then fill that pan with water, which you are required to do by Florida building code for it to pass inspection, it should hold that water for at least 24 hours. Then you put concrete down on top of that, what's called sand mix. You slope it down to the drain, make sure it's all good. Then you can tile on top of that. On the walls, you do what's called a cement board. You can also do a green board. I do not recommend it. It's a moisture resistant drywall. Don't do that, actually. Let's just say don't do that at all. Cement board is the only product you should be putting on your walls at a minimum. That should be the basic thing that you put up. But you hang the cement board directly onto the studs, and then there are multiple waterproofers like Red Guard, Aqua Defense, or if you like more high-end products, there's a company called Ardex, A-R-D-E-X, that makes a product called S1-K. It's a roll-on waterproofer that is guaranteed to have enough on the first coat in order to guarantee waterproofing. It's a really good product. That's what we tend to use in our shower surrounds 9 times out of 10, unless there's a specific reason. So you have to roll that onto all the walls, and then the water would go down into the pan and go down into the drain. You're 100% waterproofed. Now, I just did a video recently on what's called Schluter Systems waterproofing. You can go to our channel and find that. That's the other way that you can waterproof, and that system ties the wall into the floor with the same type of material. It's all preformed styrofoam boards that have a waterproof coating on them. That's kind of like a cloth material that bonds with a thin set and just totally ties up the water. It works really well. That carries a lifetime waterproof warranty on it. And it's a product that I highly recommend. It's a little bit more pricey than the cement board and the rubber pan, but at the end of the day, you get a product that's, in my opinion, 5 to 10 times better. I really like it. Sometimes there's budget constraints that don't allow for it, but whenever it's able to be, bought, I really, really recommend that. So keep that in mind as you're planning your project. Now, if you're doing a bathroom renovation and you need help, you're like, man, this is a crazy bathroom. I just don't know where to go with this. I need some professional help. You can hire us to do that, no matter where you live. Go to homelove.construction/design, and you can see how we actually do virtual designs for people and design out of the state of Florida. Now, if you're like, man, I just want somebody to do this for me completely, and you're in the Tampa Bay area, you are in luck. We will do your bathroom. We will design it. We will make it perfect on paper, give you a rendering of exactly what it's gonna look like, and then we'll build that thing. We do the best bathrooms in the Tampa Bay area. For 2 years in a row, we've won Best Bathroom from the National Association of the Remodeling Industry. We're the best, hands down. You can hire us to do it. Go to homelove.construction/design to start right now. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your attention. If you've not already hit the subscribe button, peace.